Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing Ripper 1 from VulnHub. Our ETH walks about a solid intermediate. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we're going to start opening our terminals here. I'm going to start by running a netdiscover -r 10.0.0.1/24/IAT0. Doing this, we do get the IP address of the box, 10.0.0.122. So I'm going to start by running an mmap scan. So I'll do mmap -c for default scripts, -v for enumeration. We'll scan all ports on the IP. I'm going to do a simple power grab. I'll do netcat -nv on port 80. It does seem like we do have port 80 open for HTTP, right? We'll start by visiting the IP address. I'm going to do control U to view the source code. And it does seem like just the default Apache 2 web server, right? I'm going to start by running a GoBuster. So I'm going to do GoBuster dir mode -u HTTP. We'll do -w for user share word list. We'll do dirbuster / directory this 2.3 medium.txt. We'll specify the extensions as HTML, TXT, and also PHP. Take this off. Good news, we do get an index.html. Looking at our reports, we do have port 22 open for SSH, port 80 open for HTTP, and port 10,000 for HTTP. And it is running miniserve 1.9.0, right? It does seem like it's a login portal only because of the web min. We can copy this and visit the IP address. Take this off. And it does seem like this is running SSL mode, so it's going to be HTTPS. And also giving a host name, which is ripper-min. I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to vi into /etc host. I'm gonna do control I to go into interactive mode. I'm gonna do 10.0.0.122. We'll enter ripper-min. I'm pressing on this, and we do get a username and password, right? Doing this, I'm just gonna try default creds. I'm gonna try admin, and it doesn't seem like we do get long successful, right? I'm gonna copy the IP address and run a GoBuster on here. So you can just run that on there. Anytime you do get a certificate error, I just like running -k. We do another error. I'm gonna do -s. I'm just gonna copy this and take out the 200, and our GoBuster should run now, right? Doing this, I'm just gonna do some enumeration and find our robots.txt. So I'm just gonna go to robots.txt, and we do get a base 64 encoding. So I'm just gonna copy this and decode this. I'm gonna echo this on the screen, and then also pipe this out to base 64 -d. Here it is showing that we do scan PHP codes with rips. So I'm just gonna copy rips, enter rips, maybe under here, /rips, and we do get a file path, right? Right now, I don't know what rips is, so I'm just gonna search for what is rips. PHP rips. So this seems like it's a tool written in PHP to find vulnerabilities in the PHP applications using static code analysis, right? Let's go back to rips. Let's click scan. Maybe because we have to specify a path, so I'm gonna specify var www html. We can click scan. So it does show that we did find a file to closure. I'm gonna go to files. Here it just show what's going. Seems like we found a rips secret.php, and it is giving us creds for Ripper and also a pass for game people play, right? Or games people play. So I'm gonna try to SSH into that. So I'm gonna SSH into Ripper 10.0.0.122. Type in yes, enter the password, and we do get a long successful rate. So I'm gonna check my IDs. I'm gonna do sudo -l, enter the password, and it doesn't seem like we can run sudo on here, right? We do have our flag.txt. Let's see, let's check, let's go back to home. Can we cd into cubes? We'll go into .ssh, and it doesn't seem like we can go into .ssh, right? Next thing we're going to be exporting is the SUID bit set. So I'm just going to copy this, search up run SUID as, we'll just search up as user. We'll just click on this one. Okay, so here it is telling us we can specify a user. In this case, it's going to specify the root user. So I'm just going to copy this. I just copy this and run this as the user cubes. All right, so this doesn't seem like we do have any files here. Let me try to grep this out with I'll grep -I for pass, maybe. No, it doesn't seem to work, right? So I'm just gonna write this out myself. So I'm gonna do find / we're gonna specify the user, which is basically the parameter. We can specify -user. We did know that the user was cubes. We'll do -type. We'll do the type for f, and we're gonna execute for -exec execute. We'll do like an else -la. The reason we're doing else -la is because we want to see if it's an SUID bit set, and we can see the permissions on that file, right? We'll do / and we'll redirect this to dev/null. So we'll do dev/null. We can press it on this. And it does seem like we do have a user or a file as secret.file, right? So I'm just cat this out. I'm gonna get a password as this. So I'm gonna switch users to cubes. And it does seem like we do get along successful, right? Doing this, if you do type in history, basically history, like the history command lets you view the history of what was typed in on the command line. Here you do see that we do have copy mini-server.error. We also do have a backup minister.log. Yeah, so I'm not sure if this was intentional for like the person who created the box. I'm not sure if this is the right path to actually complete this box. I'm not sure if it's intended or not, but doing the history command, you do see that you can see all the files that he was ran. You do see that switch users to repo, or switch users to Ripper, webadmin. He cat the server.log. Seems like he copied a mini-server.error and put it into mini-server.log. So we just copy this. If we do like which locate, you do see that we have user bin locate. So I'm just do locate backup minister.log, and you do see this is under var webadmin, and it really explains why he went to webadmin and backup, right? So which was made a directory for backup. I guess this is when he was creating the box. So we'll just cat this out. We'll just try to grab -I for pass. And we do get a username as admin and also a pass as this, right? Tokyo Hotel. Let's go back to the admin and see if we can try this. So I'm gonna try admin. Press enter on that. And it does seem like we do get along successful, right? Going down here, you do see that we have a terminal. We can do Control K. And we'll just do Alice MySLA. We'll check our IDs, and it does seem like we are just under root. We can cd into root, ls. We can cut our flag, flag.txt. Really laggy terminal, but there's our flag.txt. Well guys, that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.